Imagine you have a problem with your Windows 11 local account username. Let's say it's John Doe, and the space in the name is causing all sorts of issues. So, the big question is, how do you fully change or migrate the username to something like John Doe without causing even more problems along the way? Well, that's the problem we're tackling today, folks. In finding a solution to this tricky situation, the simple way is to create a new user account, log in with it, and then painstakingly copy over all your data from the old profile to the new one. The space in the username can make software go haywire, and we definitely don't want any more surprises popping up. So, as much as you want a quick fix, creating a new account and doing a good old-fashioned data transfer seems to be the best route to take. Don't worry, we got your back. Now, if you're wondering why we're adamant about this approach, it's because any other methods are likely to be complex and bring along a host of unforeseen issues. We can't predict what software out there might stumble upon a username with spaces. So let's err on the side of caution and stick with the tried and true method of making a fresh account and moving your stuff over. Trust us, it's for the best. In summary, when faced with a Windows 11 local account username conundrum, the safest bet is to bid that space containing name goodbye and embrace a new username without any funky characters. By creating a new user account and carefully transferring your data, you can avoid unnecessary hiccups along the way. So, go ahead, make that change, and remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below with your thoughts. We appreciate your support.